So that's an introduction to the code base of Greater Commons, and that should get you up and running and give you a lot to chew on. And it's an example of a certain type of implementation. Like, this is one way that you can implement a web application, or even the backend for any type of application, because this backend not only could service the HTML microservice talking to the different microservice API backend points, but it could also, native apps, Android, iOS, could be talking to those different endpoints and getting data back. And so this is an example of how you could build a backend using Go, and we also used Goa to do that. And one of my thoughts is, as somebody watching this, if you're newer to coding, you might watch this and be like totally overwhelmed, right? Like, and in which case, definitely you want to get into it. Go start studying Goa. Like, go through that Goa stuff, do the training, read the documentation, watch videos, on it on the Go page, and then come back and watch these videos again. And that could be a great learning stretch to help you grow into it. The other perspective that I speculate is, maybe you're a professional developer and you're looking at what we've built here from a place of experience. And we would love to hear your perspectives and your thoughts, because this is our first production level experience, and we've done the very best job that we could. In particular, Daniel's done all of the back end architecting, and I'm handling course creation and all other stuff. And so we'd love to hear your perspectives on how we've put this all together when you look at it. And if you have suggestions for improvement, please let us know, what those might be, and let's discuss it. Because our ultimate aim, our ultimate goal, is to make something which is valuable and amazing and useful to other people and helpful to other people for the greater common good.